afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thanks. Ma'am, my name is Aditya Kumar. I'm basically from Bihar, where I studied till class 10th. And thereafter, I came to Delhi for my class 12th and then to Manipal, Karnataka for my engineering in civil. And thereafter, I came to Delhi in 2015 to prepare for civil services. And recently, I have been selected for the CAPF examination that is conducted by UPSC only. And my hobbies include playing and watching football. CAPF, Central Armed Police Forces.
Okay, just tell me, your father is engineer?
Yes, sir.
And your mother is child development officer?
Yes, sir.
Your father's earning is around 14.5.
Yes, sir.
Mother's is 10.1.
Yes.
So, will it come in non-creamy layer? What is the criteria for that?
Sir, my father's initial posting was as a Group C officer and my mother's was Group B. That is why it would not come in under the creamy layer, sir.
Then how do you decide your domicile? Because you are originally from Bihar, domicile is UP.
Sir, my father is from UP, where I was born in Bihar actually, and I studied in boarding schools all my life in Bihar. So I did not exactly stay in Bihar because it was a hostel life, but the domicile condition is by the father's place.
Always by the father's?
Sir, I do not know the technical details. Sir.
What I am asking is whether you filled it correctly or somebody will point it out. No, you are from Bihar and how you have put it.
No, sir, I have a certificate of...
domicile certificate?
Yes, sir, domicile certificate, sir.
You heard of Border Roads Organization?
Yes, sir.
And recently there has been some controversy on that. Heard of that?
Sorry, sir, I am unable to recall.
What do they do? What type of work and where?
Sir, their prime job is to construct road and supporting infrastructures like bridges or canals along the border. They are even involved in construction of roads across international borders, for example, across India, Bangladesh or India, Myanmar. And they are, sir, that is all I can remember right now, sir.
Because Jharkhand government has told that our laborers are going there and we are not treating them well.
Yes, sir.
There are some issues. Okay. You are a civil engineer.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, building construction differences between India and other European or US. Their constructions are totally different, ours are different. And what type of technology they use and what type of technology we use. We take, I think, months and years to construct a building. And for them, if you start a building within 3-4 months, buildings are constructed. Whether those are durable or ours are movable.
Sir, Western countries as compared to India are adopting latest technologies because of the capital that is available to them. For example, they are moving away from planning on paper to planning on computers and even taking the help of augmented reality or virtual realities that makes the planning stage faster. Along with that, sir, the monitoring is done with drones and associated technologies that makes that safer and faster too. On the construction side, sir, new technologies such as they are using prefabricated molds where they are not constructing it on the site, rather they construct it somewhere else and they join it at the site. That makes the process faster because the whole blocks comes at a time and the only work they have to do at the site is to join them. So that is one reason why these are the few reasons why the construction are little.
Don't you think that technology is better? We save a lot of time because once our construction started, it takes years. Then vagaries of climate and all, raining when you stop.
Sir, we are adopting to that method, sir. For example, in the recent that is expressway that is being constructed between Delhi and Mumbai, we are using those models such as we are using drones for the monitoring, or we are constructing it part-wise where the several parts are given to different contractors so that they construct it at the different times and at the time of assembly.
Means if we really want, we can expedite this construction.
Yes, sir.
Save a lot of time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know something about medical seats? Engineering, we have umpteen number of colleges throughout the country. How many we have? In thousands.
Yes.
Whereas medical, we are suffering. Seats are very limited. Whereas we need lot of doctors for our population. Ratio of doctor and per person ratio is very, very poor.
Yes, sir. Sir, the reason for
How many seats we have approximately? Why so? Why seats are not being increased?
Sir, sorry, sir, I do not recall the exact data about number of seats. Sir, I'll look into it. Sorry, sir.
But do we need more doctors?
Yes, sir, sir. As has been made very obvious by the recent COVID phenomenon, that the ratio of doctors to patients is very less, especially in states like the Bihar or UP, where the population density is very high. The WHO recommends that there is always one doctor to 1,000 people, but in such states the ratio is 1 to 3,000 or even 4,000. So the reason is because of low number of medical colleges in India, both private and government colleges. Sir, one reason might be the huge investment that a medical college needs, because it is more of a practical based rather than theory based subject, and it needs huge investment in the labs. So that might have been a reason that private sector is still lagging behind as compared to the engineering.
So even government is lagging behind, because if it is a priority, health is a priority sector.
Yes, sir.
Number of seats should have been more.
Thank you, sir.
Aditya,
Yes, sir.
what happened in Germany recently from a geographical perspective?
Sir, Germany is facing the worst flood in like its last 60 years at recent time. The Western Germany and now central and southern Germany, sir.
What is happening? Why are they seeing such kind of climatic changes?
Sir, not much scientific. Sorry, sir. Scientists are saying that it is due to climate change. The overall factor, the long-term factor is climate change. But the immediate factor right now is that the area of Germany is in a low pressure zone where it is surrounded by high pressure on both its sides. The high pressure forces the air to move towards Germany and rise up. That leads to further more rainfall in that area, leading to flood. And another reason is, sir, just before this rainfall, another rainfall occurred that led to saturation of soil and the drainage system there, and immediately this rainfall occurred that lead to the flooding of the German area, sir.
So there is a stock of 2 degrees increase in temperature, 3 degrees increase in temperature. What would be the impact of a 3 degree increase on the temperature on the ecosystem?
Sir, every aspect of the ecosystem would be affected. For example, if we take the snow melting, the melting of snow, it would lead to lands being submerged, leading to destruction of property and even human and animal lives. From aquatic point of view, the rise in temperature would be disastrous for the fishes and the aquatic life, both plants and animals, sir. Even for birds, it would lead to change in migration pattern and their habitation pattern, because they are very sensitive to temperature. And in that way, sir, every aspect of the ecology will be affected by rise in temperature.
What's the status of use of 3D printing in construction? Do we use 3D printing in India for construction?
Sir, in Indian context, I am unable to recall the example, but 3D printing has been used in processes such as road development, where the bricks are pre-laid, prefabricated and just laid on the road. Also, sir, the advantage of 3D printing in construction would be, we would be able to construct the exact size, exact dimensions of the material that we are required to use, rather than cutting or wasting whole blocks.
Are you aware of some software which is used in construction?
So sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall, sir.
Are you familiar with something called as BIM? BIM?
Sorry, sir.
Football player.
Yes.
What position do you play?
Sir, I play forward, sir. I used to be a goalkeeper, then I broke my hand, so I started playing forward, mostly left wing.
Okay. Are there any players in the global football arena who have transformed from a goalkeeper to a forward?
So sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall, sir.
Can you tell me some formations in football?
Yes, sir. The formations in football are not strict as such. They are on the whims of the coach or the managing staff. For example, sir, 4-4-2, where there are 4 defenders, 4 midfielders and 2 strikers, or 5-3-2-1, where there are 5 defenders, 3 midfielders, 5-3-2. Sorry, not one, sir. 5-3-2. And similarly, there is a rotation between the players in defense, midfield, and attacking area, sir.
Can you tell me about Copa America?
Sir, it was recently organized in Brazil, sir, which was not the original host for the Copa America. Rather, it was Colombia, but due to frequent protests over the COVID, because they thought it was unsafe to hold it, it was held in Brazil, which was won by Argentina, which played a match against Brazil. 1-0 was the score, sir.
When was the last time Argentina won Copa America?
Sir,
This is after how many years?
sorry, sir, I am unable
It's a
to.
historical win, right?
Yes, sir.
What happened to English league? English?
Sir, English league.
Yeah.
Sir, EPL, that is English Premier League or Barclays Premier League, sir. That is the first league, and there is a second league that is below it, from which the Champions League, where teams that qualify that league comes into Premier League, sir.
Good. Now, your option is geography.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Just take a minute. Draw a map of India. There is Bharat. And put a dot. The state is belongs to or the district is belongs. 1 minute. Map of India. Okay. Sure. Now, see this. What's happening? Huh? You want to give away Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep to China?
Sorry, sir.
Then what is this? The idea of asking you to draw was only that.
Yes.
Please pay attention to detailing. Sit down, sit down.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Now let's talk about Western Ghats. Which are the states which are part of Western Ghats?
Sir, the states from Maharashtra, the state of Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala are the parts of Western Ghats, sir.
Nothing of Tamil Nadu?
Yes, sir. A little area of Tamil Nadu, sir, especially in the northern area of Kerala,
Ooty and all is part
the border of, yes.
Not little,
Yes,
substantial
quite a
area.
thing. Yeah. You see, if you don't know it, I don't know. Anyway, have you heard of Kasturi Rangan Committee report?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir.
You
I'm
have
unable.
not heard of Kasturi Rangan Committee report on Western Ghats?
Yes, sir. I have heard, sir.
Then tell me 2-3 major recommendations.
Sorry, sir. Unable to recall the recommend.
Okay. What is the Cape?
Sir, sorry, sir. I'm unable to recall, sir.
Think of Cape of Good Hope. Now
Yes.
tell me what is a Cape? Do
Sir.
we have a Cape in India?
Sorry, sir.
Cape Comorin.
Yes, sorry.
What is a strait?
Sir, strait is a narrow passage that connects to large water bodies, sir. That is a strait.
Do we have a strait?
Yes, sir. Park Strait.
Park Strait. Okay, not Park Street. Okay. Now going from east to west. Name the major ports. East to west, major ports. Slowly but tell me calmly.
Sir, the Kolkata, sir. The Kolkata, Haldia Port, sir. Paradip Port. Visakhapatnam Port. Chennai Port. Sir, Ennore Port. Kochi.
Kochi, straight. Huh? Tuticorin.
Sorry, sir. Tuticorin.
Tuticorin, lot happening there. Anyway, then Kochi and then
Kochi, sir. Mangalore. Sir, Goa, Marmagao. Then, sir, Mumbai, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, sir. And then,
nothing in Gujarat.
yes, sir. Sir, I'm unable to recall the names.
You are
Sir.
unable to.
Sorry,
Andhra is there.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
we
sir.
have
Adani is having separate port?
yes, private. Maybe. Now we have ship making yards, right? My question is, do we have ship breaking yards? Do you agree we have ship making yards?
Yes, sir.
You know that.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me about ship breaking yard.
Sir, I do not have the adequate knowledge, sir. I can take.
You do not have adequate knowledge.
Yes.
Oh dear. Okay. Now in the development of a country, does the size of the country matters?
Sir, the size of the country along with the population would matter, sir. If the size is big but the population
So
is.
you can have a very small country with lots of gold or petrol in that.
Qatar.
You don't need population or anything.
Yes, sir. Sir, the natural resources there and the extent of
That is more important.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what do you understand by economic geography? You know, there is a whole section of economic geography.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by economic geography?
Sir, the study of relationship between the resources and its development, its relationship with human development would be covered under the study of economic geography, sir.
Okay, so much for geography. Let's talk about civil engineering.
Yes.
What are different types of bricks?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Huh? Civil engineering, bricks, no answer. Okay, how do you transport fly ash? Suppose I want to transport fly ash from A to B. How do I do that?
Sorry, sir. I haven't studied about it, so I'll study, sir.
Geography, you are not ready. Okay, please. You still have time, right? You can-
Acha, tell me the name of the seven sisters and what are they?
In Northeast, ma'am, it starts from Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura.
And as you are from the Kushinagar,
Yes, ma'am.
what is special and important in Kushinagar?
Ma'am, it is
Why
the.
it is famous? It is famous, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, it is famous in all the three mythologies. In Buddhist mythology, it was famous because Lord Buddha attained parinirvana there. In Hindu mythology, it's famous. It's said that Kush, the son of Lord Ram, it is named after Kush. And in Buddhist mythology, it is famous because people say that Lord Jain used to give sermons around this area.
And simultaneously, Muzaffarpur
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also famous. Why?
Ma'am, Muzaffarpur is very famous for its lychee cultivation and the export of lychee.
Is something else?
Ma'am, there have been many important personalities that are associated with Muzaffarpur. For example, ma'am, Dr. Rajendra Prasad used to be a teacher there in LS College. Even Mr. J.B. Kripalani was a teacher, professor there.
Okay. Then who wrote India Divided?
Sorry, ma'am, I do not recall the name, ma'am.
राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी का नाम है, उनकी किताब है इंडिया डिवाइडेड.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Must be like in fine. And as you are at present, you are the child development project officer, I think.
My mother is child development.
Then what is working there? And which kind of the work she is doing?
Ma'am, the work of CDPO is a effective implementation of ICDS program at block level. And not only the effective implementation, but greater coordination with DPO and DM. That is part of job. And under ICDS program, it is a comprehensive program from nutrition to promote institutional birth and to nutrition of both lactating and pregnant mother, the preschooling of children, and providing additional nutrition to small children between the age of 0 and 6 years old.
Can you tell me about the judicial review and judicial activity? What is judicial review and judicial activity?
Ma'am, judicial review would be when the judiciary studies the constitutionality of a law.
You will be very good.
He's selected already there.
Now, still
Yes,
you have, when is your interview? It's not divided.
3rd August, sir.
Huh?
Second day, 3rd August.
3rd August.
Still have 3 weeks.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
you have time. What I
What
would
part of
suggest
this
is,
thing?
read the basic concepts of geography. I was very elementary
yes,
concepts,
sir.
very, very elementary. But it will be very disappointing to don't answer
आपके
this.
सब्जेक्ट से तो पूछे ही जाएंगे, आपको
Yes.
सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए.
And
Yes,
about
sir.
India map when I asked you, bro.
Purpose was that only.
That was only purpose. UPSC I have been asking this to candidates.
Very good personality, very good posture, you
Yeah.
good eye contact,
Yeah.
everything was all right.
Everything fine, but
Work of this.
Just improve
but
the
then the most
fundamental.
crucial, you know.
Okay, all the rest.
All the best. Take 1 or 2 more months, but read and come.
Yes, sir.
Don't lie.
Yes,
I
sir.
think it's after 26 years they're winning. I don't follow football still, I know. You should
Sir, I,
Copa America. It's after 25, 26 years.
Yes. That-
sir, I was unable to remember the exact date, sir. Sorry, sir.